What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I'm in Onitsha, Anambra State precisely. 2 days ago, the governor of the state, Governor Willie Obiano, just ordered a lockdown for the state just to a way to reduce the spread of this, you already know, the coronavirus. Onitsha most times is probably known as one of the most commercial places in Nigeria. So today, what are we doing today? Is like I'll be entering the street of Onitsha just to show you like what's going around Onitsha. So guys, come along with me. Let's through and see what's going on in Onitsha streets. Guys, right now I'm in Owerri Road. So Owerri Road is like one of the major roads and the most busiest road you can find in Onitsha. So this road, let's say you are coming from Owerri, or maybe you are coming from Imo State and you're coming from Abia State, and you are going to Enugu or Ebonyi State. And also, let's say maybe you're coming from Ebonyi State or Enugu State and you're going to Abia State or Imo State. This is also the road you're going to use. So most times on a normal day, this place is all filled up. There's a lot of traffic going on here. You can't even see a way to drive. So today, as you can see, there are only a couple of cars moving around the road. That's to show you like things are really getting serious right now. So let's get to another location. Let's see what we can find there. Right now I am in Lagos Park. For those of you who know Onitsha very well, or maybe know eastern part of Nigeria very well, Lagos Park is a very popular place in Onitsha. A whole Lagos Park, like every day Lagos Park, whether during the day or during the night, this place is so much crowded with a lot of people, with a lot of activities going on. But just take a look at the commercial buses here. They're all stopped. They're all no one is moving. So that's to show you that what's really going on in Onitsha right now is very serious. I want to go to the head bridge, Onitsha head bridge. I heard that it's locked down. Let me see what's happening there. But before then, there is this Chisco. Is it Chisco? There is this Chisco bus park I saw. There is no car there. There is no any commercial buses there. But what I saw was very amusing and very funny. I saw a couple of guys playing at the park. You know, on a normal day, that place is quite a very active place. Like 24/7, guys coming, guys going. But now I see everything is just stopped. I saw something there. I think I saw some guys playing football there. You know, they have turned that place to a football field or something like that. So guys, let's go there. Let's go check it out. Let's see what these guys are doing. I'm at the Chisco bus stop. Actually, on a normal day, this place is all filled up with all different kinds of commercial vehicles, be it a bus car, Sienna, luxurious bus, such like this. But right now, take a look at what's going on here. Some guys are using this place as a football pitch, but that doesn't make any sense because I believe by now the governor of Anambra State have already ordered like people should like stay home. But these guys are out here, playing football and all that kind of stuff. But I just want to kind of show you guys like what's really going on here. Like this place on a normal day is supposed to be filled with a lot of commercial vehicles. No such activity like this will be going on here. Like people will be busy, calling for passengers, loading vehicles, loading goods and making money. I have a couple of people here. They really want to complain about like the effect of this shock lockdown that is going on right now. So let's hear from the guy.
Okay, I don't ride the keke. See my keke here. See small, I don't walk. See, hungry than my body. You know good, I'll be alone to try. This story I make him go. I never walk.
My name is Anambra State Obiano.
So good, I want to photo Obiano. Man, I get a melody. A plate in there about 700. See, so I'm about to move 800. Almost 4. Belt look at the belt. And after okay, gonna number each account when you 10,000, when you each account 10,000, 10,000, how big you go?
So well done. I believe no be alaga ni yan. Go kula di go.
You see, na government told you no kai na amasikwa o. Ne kwanya ticket ka sai mo mad na 100. Ya na ku 15 naira. And I na gba ticket keta ne bu mad na 50. We kura ku 100. And you check keta. Yeah, the expense and the ticket is 1 something. And I can have a ticket. Nebu mad na 50. We kura ku and where ya na arse. ka gọọmenti na-ebe n'anya na agụrụ ga-egbukwu ụmụ ogbenye as no coronavirus ọ dịrọ mma.
I hope you guys have seen what they are complaining about. Most of them don't really understand the fact the governor of the state ordered a lockdown. Most of them thought it has to do with the governor. That was his own personal decision and influence. But they don't know that it's for the benefit of the home masses, so that everybody can be safe in what's going on right now. So guys, right now I want to head to So now I want to head to another location. I want to go to the Asaba head bridge. Let's see what we can find there. Right now I'm at the bridgehead in Onitsha. When you look straight down, you're gonna see the bridge. This is the bridge that connects Onitsha to Asaba. Okay. I hope you guys can see the bridge right now. So when you take a look, you see there are a lot of trucks parked here. These trucks have been parked here for almost 2 days now. Since the coronavirus, the governor of the state have shut down any exit or any entrance into the state. This truck here right now leaving from Onitsha to other parts of the country in Nigeria. So let's get to this bridge. Let's see what's really going on there. Right now I'm in front of the bridgehead. Right now there's some security personnel in the street. As you can see in the road, there's a lot of both the military men and the police force. They're all in the street just to make sure that everybody's safe. We already had a confrontation. They said I shouldn't record, but I'm gonna do my stuff. This is Nigeria. Like, we die here. Virus na virus, all die and I die. So very hungry. Okay, see.
Hungry is killer than disease.
Hungry is what?
It's killer than disease.
Okay.
We are hungry now.
As you can see, guys,
No free movement.
no free movement, nothing is going on. Everybody's complaining, you know, because of the lack of the movement. Don't mind about the mask. As you already know, like, I'm trying to avoid that things that will not be good in my body system. So that's why I'm wearing mask, if you don't know till now. So, but I believe you guys can hear what I'm saying. I believe I'm very audible. So right now I have a couple of confrontations from the military security and from the police. So they said if I want to do something like this, I have to take a proper permission before I can go ahead and do that. But as you know now, we vloggers, we don't take permissions. We only apologize when being caught in the act. So just to show you guys what's really going on. So right now I'm heading to the bridgehead. This bridgehead, I'm telling you guys, is the bridgehead that connected Asaba to Onitsha. So I want to show you guys what's really going on. I can see there are some cars moving. I think they're being quarantined before they can get into the city. Never now, the very crowded. Like, a lot of people going up and down. People, I don't really know why people are so stubborn. Stay home for your own good. But people are keep on going, moving around my house for this kind of stuff. So this is the bridgehead. This is the bridgehead, I'm telling you. So straight down to Asaba. I think that's approximately like 7 kilometers. This bridge is like approximately 7 kilometers before you can get to Asaba. So as you can see, everywhere is all filled up. Because of the blockage of the cars, people cannot be able to move. So right now, what they're using is like, they're using motorbike. This is called motorbike taxi. But I don't know, what's the essence of shutting down boxes, shutting down commercial vehicles and private cars if you cannot shut down like the motorcycle taxis? So it still doesn't make any sense. So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right now, and I hope you guys are well informed about what's going on in Onitsha now. There is a lot of places like this in every other part of Onitsha, but this is the far I can go for now. And I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time I talk to you. Peace.